Hello and welcome to our new video. Today we'll be comparing two powerful tools for boosting high ticket sales conversions online, ThriveCart and CartFlows. If you're looking to maximize your revenue from high ticket items, you'll want to pay close attention to this comparison. As always, the link to both platforms is in the description below. ThriveCart is a robust platform designed to streamline your online sales process and maximize conversions. Here's what ThriveCart brings to the table. ThriveCart offers an intuitive interface that makes it easy to set up and manage your sales funnel. It provides a variety of professionally designed templates to help you create stunning sales pages and checkout forms that are optimized for conversions. ThriveCart offers advanced features such as one-click upsell, pump offers, and A/B testing, allowing you to maximize your revenue potential and optimize your sales funnels. ThriveCart integrates seamlessly with popular payment gateways and other third-party tools, ensuring smooth operation and enhanced functionality. ThriveCart provides excellent customer support to assist you with any questions or issues you may encounter along the way. CartFlows, on the other hand, is a powerful WordPress plugin specifically designed to create high converting sales funnels. Let's explore its key features. CartFlows seamlessly integrates with WordPress, allowing you to leverage the power and flexibility of WordPress platforms to create and manage your sales funnels. CartFlows provides optimized checkout forms that are designed to minimize cart abandonment and maximize conversions, ensuring a smooth and seamless purchasing process for your customers. It offers a variety of conversion optimized templates to help you create visually appealing and high converting sales pages and checkout forms. Both ThriveCart and CartFlows offer powerful features and capabilities for boosting high ticket sales conversions online. However, the best choice for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution with user-friendly interface and advanced features like one-click upsells and bump offers, ThriveCart may be the better option for you. On the other hand, if you're already using WordPress and prefer a solution that seamlessly integrates with your existing website, CartFlows could be the ideal choice. Its flexible funnel building capabilities and optimized checkout experience make it a great option for maximizing conversions on high ticket sales. Ultimately, both platforms have their strengths and weaknesses, so it's essential to carefully evaluate your options and choose the ones that best align with your goals and objectives. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you again soon.